Hi everyone, I'm Kat and welcome to my channel, Naturally Beautiful Girl. So today I'm sitting down because I moved. We bought a house. I would get ready with me where I talk about that. I will link it up above in case you haven't seen it. But I'm getting settled, I'm getting things sorted, and one of the things that I have not done yet is unpack my makeup. I do have a pretty large makeup collection. It is because I have this channel, I have my Instagram, I review makeup and I talk about it for you guys. And I just have kept putting it off. And I basically have just been reaching for the same couple products that I packed in my like little travel makeup bag that I've been using since we moved. And I'm getting to the point where I'm like, I'm ready to get back into the rest of my products. So I thought I would bring you guys along today and you know, just kind of do a unpack, organize my makeup with me. So I hope you enjoy that. I really enjoy watching videos like that. The one request that I have for you guys is when you're watching the video, leave in the comment section down below a product or several products that you see in my collection that I haven't really spoken about or you haven't seen me use in a while. Let me know which products you would like to see me talk about and use in a video. If quite a few of you leave comments, what I can do is do a like get ready with me. I use all the products and I talk about them. So that's your job while watching this. And also you're here to hold me accountable. So I actually go ahead and unpack and get things settled because I have my vanity here in front of me, which the drawer in my vanity is completely empty. And the Alex drawers are actually even more conveniently than my old room. They're like right next to my vanity. So I need to unpack all my makeup and put it in there. So I'm just gonna bring you along for that journey. So if you like seeing this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you like hearing about clean beauty, be sure to subscribe to my channel and click the bell button so you're notified of when I post new videos. And also come follow me on Instagram. I'm Naturally Beautiful Kat. And let's jump into unpacking and organizing.